Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of instant photography with the Fujifilm Instax Mini 12 instant film camera in a charming pastel blue. This compact and cute camera is not only a joy to look at but also incredibly easy to use, featuring a simple twist lens to power on and off. Capture perfect selfies with the built-in selfie mirror and enjoy the close-up mode with parallax correction for those detailed shots. The camera's automatic exposure and flash control ensure your photos are bright and vibrant, never washed out. In just about 5 seconds, you'll have a high-quality 2 inches by 3 inches Instax Mini instant photo in your hands, with full development taking approximately 90 seconds. The camera runs on Instax Mini instant film, sold separately, and comes with a hand strap, user manual, 2 Ah batteries, and a 1-year limited warranty. So, get ready to capture life's moments instantly and stylishly with the Fujifilm Instax Mini 12. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.